Hi there, my name is Malia with BeyondCare.com, an online platform for beauty professionals. Here in this channel, I'll be diving into debunk and discuss popular beauty trends and services. Today, let's talk about hyaluronic acid skin boosters. Hyaluronic acid skin boosters are typically administered with a needle, but a hyaluron pen is also possible. Hyaluronic acid has captivated many as it becomes the most popular ingredient in most beauty products today. But where exactly did hyaluronic acid come from? Hyaluronic acid was first discovered in 1934 by a couple of scientists at Columbia University. They named hyaluronic acid after hyalos, meaning glass in Greek, and uronic, sugar that it was made of. Hyaluronic acid's modern usage began in the 1960s, where it was actually used to help skin lesions. And over the next 30 years, after more research and more experiments, we come to find what we use now in our beauty products. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance that is found in our skin, muscles, and joints. Its ability to draw 1,000 times its weight in water makes it a perfect candidate for moisture retention in the skin. Hyaluronic acid skin boosters are dermal fillers, but they serve a slightly different purpose. Dermal fillers have a higher percentage of cross-linked hyaluronic acid, while hyaluronic acid skin boosters typically have lower cross-links in the hyaluronic acid, or it is non-cross-linked. Cross-linked hyaluronic acid has been slightly altered so that the bonds of the molecules make thicker chains. These thicker chains give the hyaluronic acid a more dense consistency and makes it better for plumping. Cross-linked hyaluronic acid can be found in many, if not all, dermal fillers. When the hyaluronic acid is cross-linked, it has more of a consistency of a gel, which is great because it is able to eliminate wrinkles, plump the lips, and even contour the face. And due to it being a natural substance, it is much safer to use, and the probability of bruising and swelling is also low. Most reactions to hyaluronic acid fillers are actually from the injection itself and not the filler. On the other hand, non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid produces no lift or volume because there aren't any cross-links in it. Non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid skin boosters tend to have a more water-like consistency versus the cross-linked hyaluronic acid skin boosters. With that being said, non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid can be, and usually is, injected into the skin, even though the consistency is very similar to the serum that you probably bought at Sephora. Curious about why you can't inject store-bought serums into your face? Check out our previous video about types of skin boosters. Okay, now let's talk about a few questions you might have about hyaluronic acid skin boosters in particular. Firstly, how long do hyaluronic acid skin boosters even last? Non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid skin boosters work immediately, but only last about 1 to 2 months. On the other hand, cross-linked hyaluronic acid skin boosters work in 1 to 2 weeks and also last a little bit longer at 3 to 4 months. Are skin boosters safe? Absolutely. Hyaluronic acid skin boosters are namely made from hyaluronic acid, which is a naturally occurring substance in our body. What is the treatment like? It is recommended to do the procedure at least 3 times a month, but it really depends on the product and the brand, so it's best to ask your doctor. Who should get skin boosters? Anyone. Anyone is able to get a skin booster treatment. It is recommended for all ages, all skin types, but especially those with dry, cracked skin or those who have fine wrinkles would probably see the most prominent results with a skin booster treatment. Those with enlarged pores or acne scars may also see great results. What are some potential side effects of hyaluronic acid skin boosters? As with any injection-based treatment, bruising and swelling may occur after the treatment. These issues typically resolve themselves within a few days, but it also really depends on the individual skin type and the doctor's skill. And to recap, hyaluronic acid skin boosters are typically cross-linked or non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid. They are meant to penetrate the skin a little bit deeper into the dermis versus just being on the skin or even in the first layer of the skin. Hyaluronic acid skin boosters not only provide hydration, but they can also relieve fine lines and wrinkles. Alrighty, now we'd like to hear from you. Was this a helpful review? Are there any other questions you're seeking answers for? Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to join us on our Facebook group and on Instagram, where we post content weekly. See you next time.